You know what time it is. All America eliminations. Yes, yes. Mall of Mall of America eliminations. I my allergies are picking up, so uh, I wasn't able to watch the picking stage, but we got the bracket here. Um, of the little, what's it called? Some chicken team. Is it Korean chicken? No idea. They're with Washed as the #1 alliance. And we have After Hours picking the Snacky Cakes with a second seed. What do you think of the Burnout? Burnout's bot is, it's alright. I haven't been too impressed given them as world champions. And it's alright though. Ethan's been doing okay. I would have hoped more on mechanical skill too. I've only seen a couple matches. They're taking 6th seed with Irvine Rig 1. And they will be against, I'm pretty sure that's Milky Way Monkeys and Enigma, however you want to pronounce that. I'm really looking forward to the Moonshot and the Atlantis Troy. I think they have a good shot at making it far. However, they are against a tough alliance. Pink Shiny Unicorns and the Ember team. Their code is good. Their build quality is iffy. Yeah, no, I agree. Their code is immaculate. It's always very nice. Has been doing pretty good in this comp too. Power Beans though with Control Z, that's gonna be a fun one, right? Like look at these all lines. All the alliances here are so like good. They're so cool. Cool alliances everywhere. It's gonna be so hard to determine a champion. Watch out for After Hours and Snackies. I told you guys, After Hours is gonna be a sleeper, and they're taking 2nd seed. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do. It's gonna be a tough round of 16, but I think they could probably take the win. I really like double doubles or their bot. Or a chain reaction, not double. It's a chain reaction. You have the 8-11-0 alliance. They're teaming up. Sounds good. Banshee. A lot of people are on the Banshee, and they're teaming up with Karma. I think they. Ooh, it's gonna be a tough round of 16. So a lot of people has put a tag on them. Barkbots with 227R. I mean, I must say with Barkbots, I haven't really been impressed with their build. I think their mechanical skills have been pretty good, but their build, I feel like it's just too slow of a cascade. So we'll see how it holds up in these tougher alliances that we'll have to be up against. The game of the elimination match, the best one, is gonna be right here. Moonshot with Atlantis Troy against the Iron Eagles Ember and Shiny Unicorns. That's gonna be such a good match. This one's kind of fun too, kind of fun. I think Red could definitely get that one though. Oh man, this is gonna be tough. It's gonna be so tough to determine a champion. There's so many people here that can win. This team could win. I have a strong feeling that these guys might actually win the entire thing. The Washed and the chicken people. These guys have a good chance. Either of these alliances have a good chance. Well, at winning, I don't know. Yeah, either of these guys have a good chance, though. Power Beans can make it far, but winning we'll have to see. I think this is going to be a good team. After Hours and Little Snacky Cake peeps. This is also an alliance to look out for. I don't think they're going to win, which pains me to say because I like the Burnout guys and Ira and Rig 1. But who knows? We'll have to see. Does anyone know when they're starting? I think it's like 10 minutes. I don't know. Alright. Whoever's all in here right now? So predictions, who's gonna win? It's gonna be a tough one. Tough one for sure. Okay, one sec. Anyone here at the comp? I don't think that'd work anyway. They're probably all queuing right now, aren't they? Sounds like a check. Still have a little bit to wait. Yeah, this has been a crazy, one of the craziest Mall of Americas. You know, we are all super excited. Get Tyler in here. He wants to join, so I'll let him in here for a little bit until eliminations start, and then might have to dig him out. Did you expect to see as much scoring early season? No, it's usually like the amount of scoring that's happening right now is the same level as I was thinking. Maybe a little bit more scoring than I was thinking, but about the same. Just okay. But now I'll mute my own thing for 3 hours. ELIMS? How do you spell limbs? I don't know. Let's take a look at this bracket again. Come on. Come on. Oh, my computer's so slow. Okay. Make your predictions. Make predictions here. So, I think, number 1 is heading out. 1. Between these two, it's tough. It's tough to say. I want to pick BarkBots, but I don't know if I want to pick them. It's gonna be a close match. I think there could be an upset with BarkBots losing out, but I think they could probably take a win. Moonshot and Landis against the Iron Eagles Ember in a pink Shimmer, Shiny, Unicorn. It's gonna be tough, guys. It's gonna be a very close match. The match to watch, for sure. We're gonna head out to, say, Moonshot and Lance Joy. This is gonna be a close match. It could go either way. Close match. Snuggle Muffins and the pink whatever unicorns. I always get them mixed up. With the Control Z's and Power Beans. We go for Power Beans. Close match again, but I mean, I like Power Bean spot. I've been doing pretty good. Control Z has actually been very good. Over here, we'll put 2. After Hours, Snackies, they're gonna be a strong alliance. Training Action's good. It's gonna be a close match, but I think they're gonna end up winning. We have here the 8-11 alliance. It's these guys here. Another tough one. I want to say 7, but I really don't know. Oh man. Ooh. Okay, let's think. Do we go for 7th seed, or are we going to go for 10th seed? That is a question that I have no idea. No idea what gosh. Oh, it's tough. It's tough. It's gonna be tough. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a 7. I think they'll have what it takes to advance. Now, you have these guys versus these guys. Banshee. One for, like, very, one of the teams to watch from a lot of people. Had a good robot design. We're all wondering, how's that going to translate to the Mall of America? And there will be 14th seed. However, I don't think it's tough. I don't think they have the win. I mean, it's gonna be tough, right? Yeah, it's gonna be tough. I just don't think they have what it's. I mean, I don't know, but we're going third. We're going third. Tough, but tough decision by Levine. We have the Burnout and the Irvine Riguan. Dun dun dun. Yes. Burnout's build has been a little bit unimpressive, as a lot of people have made that aware. And excuse me. Where's Pointer? There we go. Here's Pointer. Oh, movie back. Nope. 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 Boom. Pause. Okay. The Enigma's team with the Milky Way on gates. Tough. I think Burnout will take the win overall. Boom. Round of 16 done. We're on to the quarterfinals. We have the Power Beans, the Washed, with the Chicken guys against Barkbots. Barkbots are good and all, you know. Just don't know if they have what it takes to beat Chicken with the Washed. Right? Over here, little snuggly muffins with the unicorns. Unfortunately, I just don't think they have what it takes to go against the Moonshots and the Atlantis Show. I mean, just imagine. Just imagine. Moonshot wins. They come out of middle school, and they just win the first SIG. I mean, it's like a burnout story, right? A good team. They are. Their bots good. yeah, I have them making semifinals. Now it's make the decision. The 8-11-0 Alliance against the Snackies in the After Hours. 8-11-0 Alliance. I like them. They're cool, right? But it's just too. After Hours and the Snacky, just too good of an alliance. We're gonna have them go into the semifinals. Next we have third or 16 alliance. We have the Burnout Alliance. Yes, the Burnout Alliance. Cool stuff, right? But do they have what it takes to beat this third seed team? I don't know. Ethan could pull up some random stuff, and just take a win, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be an upset. I don't think he moves on. Is that weird to say? Of course it's weird to say. But I just don't think they have what it takes to move on. So it's unfortunate. Oh god, I don't know. I think Burnout could. What is everyone thinking right now? What is everyone thinking? Third seed, sixth seed. It's gonna be a banger match. That's for sure. Banger match. Banger match. I think I have Burnout and Irvine taking the win. Okay. I'm going for it. I feel like they could probably do some sneaky stuff. It's just they have more. This team just has more game sense, but it's tough, bro. So my finals things are getting dicey. Washed and Chicken against the Moonshot and Let's Joy. Tough match, guys. Tough match. Like, this is gonna be one of the craziest matches ever. But, gosh, I don't know. Don't know. Moonshot, you're in. You're in the finals. You're in. It's a tough one, but I think they're gonna take it. Semifinals though. After Hours Snacky against Burnout and Irvine. So much luck to Burnout guys. Actually, you know what? I don't know. They might be able to take a win. Same time, nope. Nope. They're going in. Now, we have our finals match. Fourth seed alliance, the Moonshots and the Atlantis Troy. And it's the second seed alliance, the After Hours and the Snacky Cakes. I'm gonna go with boom, four wins. Tough. It's tough. But I think they have what it takes. You know? I think they have what it takes to win. So, there you have it. Do you agree with this? What's your thoughts? Should be doing ELIMS right now. I think. They are. Alright, everyone. Round 16, 1-1. Is commencing now. Chicken with Washed. Can they take it home? And it looks like they will be taking the autonomous bonus. Autonomous bonus is out, and how are they going to go? What am I thinking? I'm thinking a solo zoning for each of these teams is going to be the way to go for now. So red is going to go for reds only right now. It's very interesting. Blue's taking that toggle for no reason, yeah. I mean, I don't think no matter what. Red is playing it very safe because they know like they could easily beat these guys. That's probably what it is. Cycle's crazy, but I don't think we're not going to see any solo zoning later in. I feel like, oh, shoot. They're just stuck. Oh! At least those they're aligned schools so they don't get, like, DQ'd or anything, right? Again, they're taking it back. 30 seconds left. Probably figure out what happens. Okay, I guess we'll skip ahead a little bit. I don't know what happened here. But it looks like a red win. What an upset. I mean, I knew this was going to be close. It's the match, guys. This is the match. This match might go down in generations of the histories as a very, very good round 16. And we are off to the thing called drivers, and Moonshot, Alliance Destroyed going already. They're neutralizing the middle zone, which makes sense. And they're going for all reds, which is, I think, is a check. Everyone should be only doing reds here. And I really like what Moonshot's doing. Putting a little bit more aggression on it. I think they could take over this neutral goal if they want. But it looks like Unicorns DC'd. Guys, this match was gonna go down in history, but Unicorns DC'd. That sucks. So yeah, I guess yellows are the way to go. Unicorns are just going. What's up? What's up to Ember, I guess. Oh shoot, they're done. They're done as well. Oh my. Can we at least have a good game? This was gonna be such a good game that, like, bruh. One is DC'd and one is stuck. Like, bruh. This is just tragic. 15 seconds left. There's literally no way for Blue to win. Oh, Unicorn somehow got undc'd. Are they gonna win? No. I don't see how. And I don't know if anyone had got middle. It's hard to tell. Okay, well, round 16-4, Control Z, Power Beams, Nuisance, and, Nuisance. Forgot. Snuffle Snuggly Muffins. Nuisance. Shiny Unicorns. Nuisance is a cool team. They really wanted to pick us they really wanted us to pick them at Worlds. I was like, I felt so bad because I was like, we'll think about it, but we had a long list. But I really like their, one of the most things I like is their bot designs. They have a cool Christmassy pattern. It just looks so nice. They have a Christmas scuff too, like Christmas colors on their jerseys. Like, it's just Christmas all year long, I guess. And they're with the shiny unicorns. So, we'll see what they were able to do. I had 5th seed making it though, and already Control Z is Auton not working. Harming's a little bit nuisance. I mean, we'll just say it worked. And Unicorns, check, worked. So, counting up the scores, and it looks like I think it might be a tie. And driver control has been commenced. Everyone could either slow zone or do all reds. It's really hard to tell. You might just want to do all reds this match and focus all reds over in these two neutrals. Since this cascade is a little bit slow, so you could definitely get away with that. But Harbing's found an opening, but with a net 30, it's not all that worth it with 1 minute and 18 seconds left. I really think red team should be attacking this neutral goal with either like a cup or a red pin. But they've got a nice stack going, and they cannot let that go. Unicorns tried to... Oh! What an entanglement! Rubber band entangle already. It looks like it snapped. How is it going to affect the Control Z's robots? We're about to find out. And this tower is gone. So that's a DC probably from Unicorns. And I mean, Unicorns somehow got that toggle. Nuisance camping. Oh shoot. Unicorns got the red alliance. I mean, not looking good. DC's everywhere. We're gonna see how this score goes. I should probably pull up my Robo Scout. 8 seconds left, and yeah, it looks like Blue's gonna take the win. But I don't think they take the win. Question mark? Because I mean, Red would have easily won that if their towers were still there, and now their towers are gone. So, what is the DQs gonna be all about? We're about to find out. There's the round 16 3-1, 160 to 0. They one DC and one just got stuck. Not good. Yes, not good. It's tragic, guys. Tragic. I'm using some Discords. Nope, don't want to click it, just want to click mute. Okay, my computer is freaking out. You know what? Bop. Snacky Kicks and After Hours. What a cool match. Cavalry and Chain Reaction. What a fun match, guys. Snacky Kicks has such a cool intro. These guys just chill. And we're ready. We're ready to go. If anyone was wondering, round 16 1-1, Chicken and Wash wins. Round 16 2-1, Barkbots take the win by a staggering 12. Round 16-3, Moonshot and Land Destroy win 160 to 0, which Unicorns and Ember both DC'd and were stuck, so they couldn't do anything. Boom, here we go. Match has started. Oh, After Hours missed their atomics, though. Snack Cakes looks like they did too. And they, dropped the pin. They were ready to neutralize that goal when the game started. However, looks like that will not be happening anymore. We're into the driver control, and to me, it looks like a solo zoning game, if I've seen a solo zoning game before. Boom, Snacky Cakes putting the pin there. Love that play. Gotta tell him to do that, and they're ready to go. They're in trouble because they're like, what do we do now? Cups on our neutral zone. So we're gonna move to the blue line soon, and that's gonna hurt them because look at the red alliance goal. Boom! Look at all that points. Looks juicy. Yes, it does. Chain reaction found an opening, but Snacky Kicks had a good flank position, so not gonna happen. I don't know what these two are doing right now. They're just kind of doing nothing, and just letting blue just score and score and score. And now blue has a good chance, actually, to win. After hours going for toggles. Don't know why Cavalry's trying to go for Snacky's toggle, because it's just, you're not going to grab Snacky's toggle. Don't know why After Hours is going for their toggle, because After Hours is not going to take that toggle back. So, two teams wasting time for whatever reason, I guess. It's a little bit of an opening. 8 seconds left. Got that. 4, and looks like blue is going to win the zone. Snacky's going in, and boom, all 4 in the zone. It's a tie, folks. And it looks like we have an upset. It's tough to say. It's tough to say. We might have an upset on our hands as Snacking After Hours. 4-1, though. Power Beams lose to New Sense and Unicorns, and no DC. I'm very curious to why there is literally no DC, because Power Beams and Control Z's tower just got deleted, and by the Unicorns, and they definitely would have won if their tower's still there. So, yes, DQ needs to be more punishable, 100%. Because, like, if I'm against them and I'm like, wait a minute, if I knock down an entire 80 stack castle over on the Reds' neutral zone, and all I have to do to get DQ'd is to win or lose by 15 points, why don't I just knock their tower down and I basically just win with no repercussions? I mean, it's pretty flawed. I don't know how the GDC's letting this make it through. But I'm gonna bet you definitely gonna be some steeper DQs in the next update for the rules. Okay, so Red's getting the bonus, and they're ready to move it. Looks like a good solo zoning game to me. They're only doing reds. I don't like that. This is a good solo zoning. This is doing only blues and only yellows here. Again, like, I don't know what any of these teams are doing, like, right when this is scored, I'd be like, oh, boom, go over here, take it, boom. They're actually going to do that, like I called out. Who would have guessed, guys? Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Oh my goodness. This is so flawed. Like, Blues just making themselves lose. It makes no sense. And they're oh, there they go. They could take the out the toggle now, but this is just a beefy double reverse 4-bar, so it doesn't look like that will be happening. The Z Red Alliance is trying to go for that toggle, but you're not going to get the toggle, man. You're just wasting time. Could be scoring. But, like, seriously, though, this looks like a red win if I've ever seen a red win before. Oh, yeah, I forgot I could just take that out. Okay, 8 seconds left. We took the toggle. Looks like red is still probably going to win, though. Whoa, wait, blue got middle. Gosh, I keep forgetting to knock down your own tower. So this entire time, they're just calling out a bait. They're just baiting these guys, the Red Alliance out, which it worked. It's a risky bait to play because you're basically spending a lot of time grabbing that tower. Full throttle, Irvine Rig 1A. It's the Banshee team. Cast the birds. Alright, I had Banshee losing this one. Still trying to just get things set up. Everyone's good to go. We're getting the thumbs up. And we are starting Autonomous. Just like that, Autonomous will begin. Autonomous will begin. Come on, you know you want to do it. There we go. Had Red Alliance taking the win here. Then unfortunately, Banshee lost. This is good odd time from this guy over here and these guys. Oh, wait a minute. Why is there 4 blue license plates? Am I tripping? I might be. No, I am. It was their brain cover. Yeah, this is a very good, solo zoning match, and goodness, these chicken guys, they're good. They're good. Look how much points they already have. And she's also cycling, but like, not as fast as the chicken. They're also, almost about to knock that down. Don't want to get yourself a possible DQ. Oh, nice. Almost found an opening here. I'll probably knock this tower upside down because I don't want that to fall. Wait, how's that blue? I don't know how that got. How did they take the toggle? I have no idea. How in the world is... Oh, they left this open. They left it open, and red is gone. What a misplay from blue. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, toggle's down, too. Will it be a DQ? We're about to find out. If it's within 15 points, then yeah, it is. But I don't think this is going to be within 15. I got their toggle back over there, and they do have a net 10 over here as well. Going for the middle, says blue. Oh, never mind, red. Middle with a good defensive position. And I think this toggle is touched too. Or maybe it's not. It's actually really hard to tell. Next match. Mr. Tandy Burnout and Irvine Reg 1 against the Milky Way Monkeys and Enigma. Clap your hands, everyone. It's going to be a good match. Out of 16, 6-1. So 62 to 88. Blue Alliance will be taking the win. So congrats to them. Everyone's getting ready on the burnouts and on Milky Way monkeys and the Enigmas and the Irvine ones. They're ready for a battle, and pretty sure this is a solo zoning match. It's hard to tell. I think this is a solo zoning match. I'd probably go for solo zoning for both of these guys over here. So we'll see how they end up doing it. I know we have some air being pumped up for those Milky Way guys. Milky Way monkeys. They're getting set up. Like it might be a little bit. I'll check the score. I could probably check the score for one of these matches. Okay, so Banshee's team got DQ'd, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, they're losing 100-0. Everyone's getting plugged in and ready. Oh, shoot, we got a timeout. I wonder what the problem is. Looks like it's on the Milky Way monkeys. Looks like they have a problem. Which is unfortunate. So be waiting just a little bit. Still waiting on timeout. Yes. I think this is gonna be a close match. But I have Burnout taking the win. But I could see Blue also taking the win. So we're about to find out, guys. We are about to find out very, very shortly. Ethan is cooking up some tell by hand movements. I think they're gonna go for solo zoning. It looks like a good solo zoning match for everyone right now. So we're about to find out what's happening. Although I will point out, Milky Way monkeys. Milky Way monkeys. Is the reason why they timed out. I'm pretty sure. I think there's something wrong with them. So, yeah. And Thomas is here. Alright, everyone is ready to go. So, we will see the thumbs up very shortly. And yep, there we go. 3, 2, 1. And here's Autonomous. Burnout has had a very good Autonomous, so. And, like, look at that. Very clean Autonomous. They're doing a nice eliminations. Red only Autonomous, too. And yeah, it looks like Blue's going for solo zoning. I think Red should go for solo zoning, too. But it really doesn't look like they are. Yeah, they're gonna only do reds. I don't like this at all. Or actually, hold up. They might have something to their magic. Oh my goodness. What did I tell you? Ethan was going to find an opening and take the solo zone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Blue's taking that down. Good play. Good play. They saved themselves a little bit. And Ethan's back on the hunt. Solo zoning on this zone. Oh shoot. I think his claw kind of bruh. But yeah, red is definitely winning. I guess you take the net 10 for blue. Or I guess not anymore. 20 seconds left. No idea what these two guys are doing. Oh wait, they're defending 20. Thought they were entangled for a second, but Ethan's just defending the net 20. Just a good idea. 6 seconds left. Waiting for around 2 seconds for this guy to get into zone. And he does. And he almost pushes out. And I don't know if this robot's touching. Where do you watch it on? Event.robotics.com. Robotics.com. Find this comp. Go to webcast and boom, you got a link. You got a little embedded and a huge one. Cool stuff. In that round of 16, 7-1. It looks like, yep, DQ. You don't want to get yourself DQ'd, guys. And guess what? Somehow, some way, we're already in the quarterfinals, guys. So we got the Korean Chickens against with Wash. And they are against the Barkbots getting there and the Reverie. So we'll see what happens. I got number 1, Red Lions taking it, making it through. Thomas is here for the first quarterfinals match. Autonomous done. And red looks like they're gonna take it. That's a pretty impressive autonomous if I ever seen an impressive autonomous. Looks like red's going for solo zoning, which I think is a good idea because Barkbot's Cascade is pretty slow. And I think they had their teammate doing the scoring and them having the defense. Yeah, they're solo zoning here and doing reds here. Check. I really like that idea. Oh, I didn't even realize. Um, they just got. They, they just let blue take that. And it looks like, should I stay? Should I not stay? There's 10 seconds left. And red is going to be like, I'll put some reds. Honestly, I would have just let them stay there and knock all this over when the match started. Looks like Barkbots is DQ. DC. Nope, never mind. They're back. Or maybe that was the. No, that was 227R. Oh, yeah, looks like they did take it out. I like that. Check. Good idea. Um, isn't it 30, though? And that takes care of this, right? Yeah. 20 seconds left. 2 reds here, 2 blues. 10 seconds left. Reds can be like, okay, yeah, I think your Reds should have scored more of their Reds before going and just do toggles. Oh, they got the toggle back. What a misplay from Blue. And there we go. Showing the DQ from Banshees again. Quarterfinal 2-1. We got the Moonshot with the Atlantis against the New Sense and the Shiny Unicorns. They're ready to go. You can feel the energy. I guess. Oh, hey, they waved. That's fun. Alright, we are ready. Everyone is green. And we will be starting Autonomous here very soon. This is very soon. How soon is that? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Should be like very, very soon. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, they're dancing. Is that what it is now? They're dancing. Let's get this match started. There they go. Autonomous will begin. Autonomous will begin. Come on. Come on. Show the countdown. Show the countdown. What's the holdup? A little bit confused. Alright. They are, delaying a little bit. I'm not sure why. Maybe they want the score match. Score the previous match a little bit more. Alrighty. People, are we ready? Still waiting. Interesting. I mean, everyone's plugging. Everyone's ready. Just waiting. Still scoring last match. Oh wow, we are still waiting. Once again though, oh, scored it. 103 to 28. Chicken and Washed are moving to the semifinals. So I got that one right at least. But can I get the Moonshot and the Let's Joy right? Oh, we got energy from the Moonshots, and we are ready to start. Time is looking like it's going great for everyone. Nuisance getting a good stack there, as well as their alliance partners, Unicorns. All right, screwing up to see who gains the autonomous bonus. And I don't know. Okay, there's a 10 there. I don't know what the goal is over here. I know there's a 30 in the squadrons, and a 20 in this one, and a 30 in this one, so Moonshot and Lance Troy will be getting the autonomous bonus. Looks like a full red. I wouldn't really do solo zoning if I were them, to be honest. Yep. Check. They're not doing solo zoning. Moonshot's trying to grab that toggle for whatever reason. I'm not too sure why they are. It's just a waste of time, if I'm honest. And I guess they're solo zoning as well. Because it isn't a bad idea because... Yeah, it's not a bad idea because with a minute left, that's all they've scored, so... Solo zoning is a check. And now Moonshot can match load reds only onto this goal. Okay, they're... Oh, they can go a little bit higher. Grab... They have to be very precision. I think it's just wait. Okay, maybe it's not. Moonshot. Oh, they found the opening. No sense with the reflexes. I don't know. Does Moonshot's Moonshot has the thing on the toggle. Does their zip ties go that far? Okay, I know they are touching the toggle. Which is kind of crazy. Nuisance was heroes and then toggles. Oh my god. Oh no! Disaster struck for the Blue Alliance. As it looks like Moonshot is gonna cancel all these. Not looking good for Blue at all. Like, at all. And Alliance Troy trying to grab in the middle. And I think they do. And Moonshot. They somehow get, whatever. Get in and neutralize the points. So, very well played from Red. Well played from them indeed. And they're moving on to the finals. Can I get a round of applause? Moonshot and Atlantis Troy are advancing. Wait, no, this is the quarterfinals. They're going to the semis. My bad. Semis for the Moonshots and the Atlantis Troy. Alright, waiting for the scores, and boom! 110 to 53. Moonshot and Atlantis Troy will be moving to the semifinals. Crazy stuff, right? Crazy stuff. Alright, quarterfinal 3, Chain Reaction and Cavalry against the Armored Titan. No way. Chain Reaction just had an insane upset. So, an upset by 2 points against the Snackies in the after hours. So, can they pull something similar off in this quarterfinals match? We're about to find out. It's gonna be a close match. I can tell you that. It's gonna be a close match, guys. And we are ready for Autonomous. And Reaction are pretty good Autonomous. Although it looks like they're just pulling out dance moves at the end. They could have got center. But I think this looks like a funny little solo zoning. Don't you guys all think so? Solo zone sounds like a good green check mark to me. And we see red team doing it, and blue team as well. We saw blue team. They really like to, oh, they're doing all blues. Last match they did all yellows. Then this dog got taken, and they're like, okay, we're gonna leave this. I mean, somehow worked. Well, what are they doing to this toggle? Like, why do they think they're about to, grab this toggle? I guess they're wanting to do all blues and just pay so much pressure on red, but like, that's just not gonna work. I'm really sorry. I mean, creative, yeah, but is it gonna work? It's not. They're still doing only blues. If I were red, I'd be like, okay, they're only doing blues. That means they know that we can outcycle them, and they really, really want to pay. Oh my goodness! Pay good attention to the toggle. Somehow got chain reaction over there. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Their plan worked. Their plan worked. It was creative. I dismissed it, but boom. Maybe it was good, guys. Maybe it was good. So crazy. Oh my goodness. Red Alliance Tower. I would not want to be knocking that Red Alliance Tower, even if I was Red Alliance, because I really want that toggle if I can win, because look at all the blue points here. Blue and blue toggle here. 1 second left. It's a tie in the middle. And it looks like Blue Alliance. And okay, look. Oh. Okay, this toggle is being touched, but I don't think it matters. Oh, wait, this is red. I didn't see this. This is red. It's 20. That's 22. This is blue. Don't know what this is. But, it looks like it's blue. It looks like it's a blue win. But we're about to find out if that is or not shortly as they count up all of the points. Round of 16, 8-1. There's the score. 83 to 68. And we're on to our last quarterfinals. Can everyone say congratulations? That's gonna be exciting. Okay, who's playing? Alrighty, guys. Quarterfinal 4. Both are Iron Reg 1, Exclamation Run, and Iron Reg 1. I don't know. It's gonna be a close match. I really think so. I think Burnout can win. Burnout can win, but I don't know. I don't know. It's gonna be a close match, nonetheless. I know we are all excited, and everyone is getting prepped and ready. Ethan is playing with the little robot. Preload is being engulfed. Alright, and we are missing Irvine Rig 1. Should be here shortly. Everyone's still getting set up somehow, even after that long scoring session. Everyone's making sure they are checked and ready. Waiting for this match, I think we're gonna go Pillars. Getting eaten away. Irvine Rig 1. The blue one, the letter V, is getting set up as well. You going for aligners? Just free balling. And it looks like we're about ready. Blue line still needs to connect, but it looks like they're set up and ready. And we'll be starting autonomous very shortly. Exciting match, guys. This is gonna be close. Close match. Close match. You all want to be here for it. Oh, looks like cable. Okay, maybe Burnout's cable is being weird. So not really wanting to connect. There we go. Autonomous is about to begin. And Ethan is like, okay, we're gonna do this. Not really sure what they're saying, but I really don't think this is a solo zone match. No solo zone match. I'd go for reds only and blues only. But I'd start on the opposing side's match loader neutral goals first. Oh my. That was a good stack on the blue. Ooh, red got theirs too. Okay, cool. Counting up the points. Who gets the autonomous bonus? And the answer to that question will be red, taking the bonus. Not looking good for the burnouts in the Irvine V team. And we are ready to begin the match. Already starting out. Okay, looks like red's going for solo zoning. I wouldn't really want to do solo zoning if I were them. I'd rather just do reds. But they are winning the solo zoning battle. Both people are doing solo zoning. One stack done. Or one zone done. So red can focus. I have no idea what. Red can just score their own color match loads over here. I'm pretty sure they still have match loads available. I think they should. Just a little bit, right? Blue, Brown's like, I really want to take your toggle, but you're not gonna take the toggle. I think red's gonna give up positioning for it as well. But Burnout's really on the high defense. Oh, shoot. The controller disconnect. Okay, why is Ethan going for toggle? They're double toggling now. They're like, okay, we're gonna go. Red is gonna go to the other side. Boom. Big mistake. Why did they do such a thing? Oh, an alliance toggles down. It looks like they traded toggles. They did. Very interesting. But I think this toggle, I don't know if it's being touched or not. Red. Oh, red got the toggle back. And they go for middle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Red is going to win. Red is going to win. Oh my. Yeah, I have no idea what Burnout and Irvine V was thinking. Because, Burnout was being very, very offensive. They really want to take this toggle, but you're basically wasting your time. Then they doubled, which means red can go over here. That means either one or two things. One, they trade toggles, and two, they get their toggle and they keep their toggle. In the scenario, they traded their toggles. No idea what blue team's plan was. That was very, very iffy, if I'd have to say so myself. Red played fine. They did good. Very clutch toggle turn at the end from them. Another, I think that's Irvine's mistake. There. Semifinal. This is gonna be, it's gonna be one of the semifinals. It'll be a good one. Who's gonna win? I have no idea. No idea. But, if I'll tell you right now, folks, this is no solo zone match. If you thought about solo zoning, think again. I would not be solo zoning. I don't really think that's going to be the play here. All these intros are cool. Like, look, these blue shot just looks like some chill guys, bro. Like Destroy. They got the pins ready. Watch, that looks pretty chill. Chicken is doing some little, like, cool, like, dance thing. A jump. Laughs. Happy laughs. How fun. Anyway, it appears that they are still counting up scores. So, yeah, this is gonna be a semifinal that will be watched for generations to come. Oh, score was just there and then it was gone. Don't worry, guys. I got Robo Scout. I'm gonna check for you. Okay, score was. I think they're still scoring it. It says 0-0 right now in Robo Scout, but like, I don't think that's accurate. If I were to pick a team to win this, I go for blue. The Atlantis Troy and the Moonshot. Although this is gonna be a close match. Very close. Very close for sure. Robo Scout says quarterfinal 4-1 is 0-0. I think they're still counting it up though, so yeah. You're good to go. Yeah, all we're waiting for right now is yeah, all we're waiting for right now is the what to call it? Score. Yes, the score. Just waiting out. Seeing what we can do. Alright, just waiting. Just waiting, guys. Alright. Oh ho ho, we're ready to go. Check. Autonomous. Doing their autonomous things and oh, man. Those chickens. They've got a good autonomous. Lots of yellows. Do you use all yellows for this match though? I really don't think so. So, I mean, looks like red's gonna get autonomous bonus, but like, if I were them, I'd be like, boom, I would knock all of this out and go for reds only, which, oh, they've got it stacked up. They're doing reds only. But on this toggle. While red is over here doing, it's not blue. Looks like red already got this toggle over here washed. I mean, it's only a net 10, so I don't know why he'd be, like, defending a net 10. That seems kind of weird to me. Honestly, I'd like this go. Like, no, don't score reds over here, because, I mean, you can just eliminate this entire goal at the end if you want. So, you're kind of wasting your time. Unmatch load and start heading towards, yeah, I could probably score middles or there, I guess. I mean, that'd still be fine if you want. I don't even know, what is this team doing? You're not gonna overtake this toggle. Just knock this thing out at the end of the match, and you should be chilling. Watch is defending in net 20. Can they not score? Is something wrong with their robot? It doesn't really look good for them. And I think red is still winning. Oh, red wanting to grab that toggle. They might have a good chance. Or at least go for middle. Let's get this toggle touched. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. And they get the middle. 16 points for red. Which, yeah. Looks like a red win if I've ever seen a red win before. 3 toggles for red, 1 for blue, which is a net 40, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Trying to see over here. Yeah, I mean, I feel like blue played a sloppy match. To be honest, it's sad, you know. And yeah, it was a red and the blue scored a heavy match, that's for sure. But unfortunately, gonna have to say goodbye to Moonshot and Atlantis Troy. So, who will face Washed and Chicken in the finals? We're about to find out. Is either Armatite with No Way, or it's Full Throttle with Irvine Reguan. And yes, there has been a lot of upsets in this match. And that quarterfinals from National 1 was 160 to 10. Big sweep. Yeah, I was really confused by Burnout and Irvine V's strategy in that one. And yeah. Still waiting for the score of our last semifinal. Oh, and we have it. 133 to 80 with Washed and Chicken winning. So unfortunately, the Moonshots and Atlantis Troy are out. They had a good run though. Again, Blue played a sloppy match there. I'm not gonna lie. But now who's gonna face the Chickens and the Wash in the finals? We're about to find out. And there's the score on the board. Oh, we're getting a timeout. Timeout for this next semifinal match. Two minutes left. left. It's gonna be a fun one, guys. It's gonna be a fun match. My guess, on his winning this is gonna be very close. Very, very close, but my guess is gonna be on Full Throttle and Irvine Rig 1A team. Me close, that's gonna be such a good match. I know we are all ready for this one, huh? Looks like they were doing awards, maybe. Forgot about awards. Maybe I should unmute. Not sure if they have any like music or. Jerry from Full Throttle is so good. He is.
Interesting. They take it out of the other one as well. I wonder what the strategy is here.
What in the world?
They are having a lot of yellow
playing in
points,
the
so I can tell you
background.
part of their strategy is keeping those toggles red. That red.
Oh, okay. What are these guys saying?
Match. Our students here, our student-centered robot builders, programmers, strategy makers.
I think Full Throttle, yeah, I think Full Throttle is taking
Raise
the
the
win here.
roof
It's gonna
for
be close.
all of our Vex Robotics student competitors. All right. You've made this tournament truly memorable. It looks like they're ready to start up pretty darn soon, so we'll pass the mic back to our MCs.
Nice. We're ready to start. You know, we're all excited. Timeout is over, guys. We're ready.
All right, thank you, Andrews. We're now getting ready for semifinals 2.
Still waiting on the red robots to get up. Yeah, Full Throttle, good tournament champ. I mean, there's a possibility. I think that possibility is actually pretty good.
All right, so we had a red alliance
but
also
first
calling
thing to do
got just over a minute.
Is to actually win this match. This is gonna be a close one too. Oh, they still have timeout. They're double timeouting. Dang. There must be something wrong with the bot if they have to double timeout, right? Maybe with red, because red just got the robots on. I know blue has had the robots on for a little bit now. But yeah, we'll have 55 seconds left on this. I think Full Throttle have what it takes for the win. Who's with me, guys? Irvine A, Full Throttle. It's gonna be close though. We all know that one. Strat here is probably just reds and blues only. Like I'd attack these neutral goals. I see people need to be attacking these two neutral goals more. And if you just do that at the start, grab some reds and attack those, check, you're in a good spot. Especially this one, because that will help you eliminate those solo zoning people over there. Like, oh yeah, I want to solo zone. Well, but guess what? I'm gonna place a red here. Maybe we're 2 reds in. Well, that could be minus 20 points. You know, if you still get that toggle. And plus 10 points for red. So yeah. It also gives you more pressure, like field pressure, especially towards the end if the opponents are doing solo zoning. Looks like we're waiting on a confirmation. Everyone getting their controllers plugged in and whatnot. Yeah, everyone's plugged in, and autonomous is a green check mark. Here we go, autonomous, round of 16. We are here. Blue has a pretty good autonomous. Oh, all these guys did you just raise a little bit? I don't. It's been a coding failure. Boom, we're ready to start things off. Closing. Oh, cup. Boom, good job. I just told everyone, attack the school a lot, and red is going to be doing that. That's cool beans. Red is going to take this toggle for a net 10. Fighting over this toggle too. I don't really know why you'd want to be fighting. You do leave 2 toggles open. That's they're just net 10s, right? I mean, red is just wasting time right now. They're just wasting time. Okay, there they go. They're starting the cycle. And they will be doing, well, they need to do yellows now because they're way behind. And instead, they're doing reds only, which, not good. They're behind. I mean, yeah, you do want to do reds only, but, like, that's earlier. Now you're, like, behind, so you have to catch up. So, you know, reds only would be play, or yellows only would be play. And it looks like they are switching over to that, and they've realized that, which is nice. But blue is also gaining more yellows at the moment, trying to neutralize that goal. That is what they're trying to do, but they're not going to be able to do that. I'm just telling you right now. Oh, knocked over those points. And yeah, they do leave that entire toggle open for blue to just go. I was about to say, ooh, toggle open. Blue trying to grab those points and neutralize it and get it. Oh, but it looks like red is going to take the middle control. But yeah, it looks like a blue win. So, pretty sure. Yeah, it looks like an air, or a full throttle with an Irvine A. Moving on. I would assume so. Oh wait, although red, didn't the red get the Auton bonus? Because I think it might come down to, okay, blue got the Auton, yeah. So, yeah, it looks like, from my just looks, my looks count, looks like the full throttles and the Irvine A will be moving on to the finals against Washed and those Korean chickens. So, I mean, that's pretty, that's something, isn't it, huh? It's gonna be a good finals match. Had a lot of upsets now I think about it. A lot of upsets here, but they're still counting it up. It's gonna be close, probably. Counting it up. Showing the scores. From the expressions, it looks like red's gonna take the win. Although it's gonna be close. Although red did knock down this neutral goal, so if it's by 15, it's a DQ. Oh yeah, they're telling it right now. They're like, hey, they knocked over a goal. It's It says be 15, and they're like, it looks like they're not giving it to him. But it didn't look like blue pushed red into knocking over. I think red just accidentally knocked it over themselves, so it should be a DQ. But it doesn't look like they're giving it to them. Dang. Means Armatite and No Way is heading to the finals. Unless this is a DQ by red, which I think it should be a DQ. Because it looks like it's a 15-point difference, and I mean, red knocked over this goal. Pretty sure they just did it by accident, and blue didn't push them into the goal and have red knock over that neutral goal. So I think it should be a DQ for red. But I mean, from the expressions over in blue, it doesn't really look like they're gonna give him that DQ. It's unfortunate. And they're still arguing over, which this guy's getting annoyed. He's like, nope, 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 nope. And they're ready to take the robots out. Yep. Does not look like they're giving it to them. They're looking at the rules right now. It's gonna take a while, folks. So, yeah. Just know that we might not be able to watch these finals until a little bit longer. I mean, I feel like red. It should be a red DQ myself. What do you guys think? It doesn't look like they're giving the DQ, which is crazy. Dang! Oh, it was by 15 too. Should have been a DQ then. I cannot believe they did not call DQ. Like, crazy. Should have been a DQ, right? But nope. Guess they're not letting it be a DQ. And Armatite No Way will be going on to the finals, where they will be facing some cool guys called Washed and the Korean Chickens, which I think that Korean Chickens and Washed will be winning, and will take the world spot. Here we go. Korean Chicken Washed versus Armatite, and No Way. So I feel no way that wasn't a DQ on red. But happened, I guess, and they're not gonna let it through. So time to enjoy this finals match. So we'll be starting sometime. Don't know if anyone's calling timeouts or what. But yeah. Hearing something over here. The word Guess not. They're just dancing around. I would think, okay, they're on a 3-minute, they called the timeout, which is probably Blue Alliance timeout. Probably the ones who used it. So we're just waiting around for that. So it's gonna be a bit, about 2 minutes, and I don't know if anyone will be ready by that time. It looks like they're doing awards after. So, who do you think's getting excellence, by the way? Excellence award. I think Moonshot has a good chance getting that. Very cool, unique bot. Looks very good. Did good in eliminations. What are you thinking? But yeah, still a world spot to be claimed. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Should pop back here soon, at least. Still waiting, guys. I feel like it's been more than 3 minutes. Sure has. More like 5. Finals time, yes, that is right. Finals time, we're just waiting. Yeah, we've had some quite the upsets. I mean, this one, I don't even know what Blue was thinking. They're like, okay, we're just gonna do some weird stuff, and yeah, they lost. This one, yeah, this was a good match. Surely be ready anytime soon. Right. It's a good match. I really thought that should have been a DQ, though, for Red. Still waiting around. I mean, their timeout time should be done for sure. I think they're just getting their bots in the field, getting things connected and ready. I'm sure that's what it is. Anytime soon, though. Taking quite a little bit, I must say so myself. Look at it, guys. Finals match. We are about ready. The moment everyone's been waiting for since May. Mall of America Finals. That's exciting news, guys. Come on. Exciting news. And it's going to be with Washed and those Korean chickens against Armonotite. And no way. So, it looks like everyone is connected, and we are about ready to commence the finals. Okay, it looks like everyone's connected except for Blue. It looks like they're connecting right now. Unless there is, field problems. Alrighty. Yeah, the announcer being like, oh, cool guys, we are about ready to start a super cool match. So, is anyone ready for finals? I know, I sure. I mean, it looks like Autonomous should be commencing here. Oh, there we go. 3, 2, 1. My guess is that Wash and Korean Chickens will take the win in the world spot. Very good autonomous from those Korean Chickens so far. Which means they're good for an autonomous bonus. Question is, solo zoning or no solo zoning? And yeah, I'm with red. Let's not do any solo zoning right now. Do a bunch of reds here. It's a little bit of a bait too, because if blue's like, ooh, toggle open, I'm gonna take it. Well, I'm just gonna knock this thing down at the end of the match, and boom. I'm so happy about myself because I just wasted your time. And those things were scored in autonomous. Oh, and they're gonna fall for the bait too. Okay, I guess not, because they're gonna run back away. Blue needs to score a little bit more. I'm not sure why they're like, I don't really want to score. Should I score? But I will say, Watch has put a lot of pressure on them to be able to do that, and they're taking the bait over here. This is a bait happening right now, but it looks like Blue know that, and Blue don't know that. Blue are falling for the bait. Oh, I guess Blue knocks down the reds for them. Interesting. But yeah, red is winning right now. Why are these guys fighting over the single toggle that's worth 10 points? I don't know. Oh my goodness! What? We see Wash find an opening. That's a net 30. 20 seconds left in this final match. And looking very, very good for Washed and Chicken. Chicken's got the toggle. They've got the other toggle. And they're going for middle. Oh, Blue's going to go for that, but I think Blue might have won that mid. And we have a red, yellow, blue, and blue, which it looks like it's going to be red taking the very first game. They played pretty good. I really like the bait over here. I think that really wasted some of their time. But everyone's counting it up, and we're going to figure out the scores. Yes. Guess I'll count it up myself and see if I'm faster than the counters. Red quadrant 2, looks like it's yellow with 2 yellows and 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 reds. Blue quadrant 1 is red with 3 yellows and 3 blues. Blue quadrant 2 is blue with 1 yellow. Midfield, I don't really know, but I'm gonna say 2 blues and 1 red, and the middle, this guy's blocking the middle. So I'm not sure. That gets me 73 to 51. I don't know what's in the middle. Okay, it's 1 yellow. 1 yellow in the middle. Which leads me to 73 to 61 with red winning. If I counted that right. And assuming that this blue robot is in the midfield too, which I'm not sure. And looking at it again, I don't really know. If it's a tie though, in the midfield, it's 73 to 43. That's a 20-point jump. Crazy. So yeah, red basically wins anyway. And John Queen over there was probably just saying that, hey, please don't knock over your opposing alliance's goal, whether on purpose, or whether it was not. But it was not match affecting, so they're not going to call anything. In red won anyway, it's not like, blue. Red was going to just destroy that anyway, so, yeah. But, what are they doing right now? We're about to find out, unless the music's playing.
Grow this big. Never thought we'd get teams from all over the world here.
Never thought you'd get
Just
teams
an
from all over the
incredible
world.
event.
Well, of America is always
So,
teams
and
from all over the world.
I took the credit. I'll take the credit for the idea, but the work is all done by this guy. I just sit behind the scenes. So it's been a lot of fun to see this develop over the years. Originally, we had a signature event in August at the Benton County Fair, and that was the very first SIG of the kind of kickoff to the season, and people thought we were crazy. I mean, honestly, game design, the other folks that are involved with Vex Robotics, they thought no one's going to be ready for a tournament in August. And now look, 115 teams already in August and competing at a world level. So I just want to shout out Aaron, thank you. You've been a great partner in crime through all the years. Love you, man. Thank you. Do you guys have final match number 1 results? Do you have match 1
Red
results?
wins, guys. Spoiler alert.
We do have the
match one results. Audience, are you ready to see them? I'm not convinced. I'm not going to show them to you until you give me some more energy. Audience, are you ready to see the score? And we'll work on it. Here we go. Finals 1. The Red Alliance has the advantage. All right, 85 points for the Red Alliance.
That's hilarious.
And they're going to lead 1-0 in this matchup.
I mean, they're going to win
now
that anyway.
It's time to get prepared for finals round 2.
Hilarious, guys. Hilarious. Blue that got DQ'd. It was from that colored zone that it was. DQs are on an all-time high. Most DQ'd event. Most DQ'd signature.
Ladies and gentlemen, you probably noticed that we had a Stars and Stripes theme going on at the event.
Red was gonna win.
And
anyway,
this year, the winner, we actually had a contest going on for best booth decorations with our Stars and Stripes theme.
Oh,
and best costume decoration for our Stars and Stripes theme. And so, let's take a look at the screen for our award winners. Let's show who's got it.
Oh, dang. These are all very cool. All themed up like America, for, you know, the Mall of America. Picking one. Who's winning, guys? Oh, there you go. Rebel Bots. That's a pretty good pit. Pretty good field, if I have to say so. So, yeah. Deserved winners. Lakeside, California. Congratulations. What do they get? Get something here. Not sure what that is. A toolbox of pots or something? I don't know.
Theme.
Saying something now, but I don't know what it is. Oh, another mini fun award. Not sure what it's for though. Some captions.
I'm that one.
Looks like a good drink. There we go. Finals 1-2. Will Washed and Korean Chicken solidify themselves 2-0 in this best of 3 format, or will Emmertites in no way be like, nah, we're gonna make it 1-1 and tie it up. Both teams fighting for that world spot. But I think it's gonna be a 2-0 for the Korean Chicken and Washed to take the win. What are our thoughts, guys? Just waiting a little bit more, just waiting for them to be, you know, ready. For that. Finals 1-2. Probably getting the bots set up, all that fun stuff. Oh, ho, ho. Are we ready, guys? This could be the match that declares the Mall of American champions. Or it can be the match that ties things up. Look at this fit. Oh my goodness. They got little glowing capes, hat. Got like everything. Probably for the best costume design. That's probably what that award was for. Which, I mean, it looks like they deserve that. That was... Oof. Finals 1-3. Hold up. Are we sure about that one? I'm feeling like this is a little bit more of a Finals 1-2, personally. Here we go. Finals match 1-2. The nerves kicking in. This can be the game that sends washed and Korean chicken to the World Finals, or it can be the game that doesn't. They are hyped over here. They are ready, and we're going into the autonomous shortly. This guy's really nervous. You could tell. Hopefully that doesn't affect his driving. So we don't want that, right? Don't want the nerves to affect the driving. They're ready. I'm sure Korean Chicken Wash is ready too. It's time for something called Finals Match 1-2. Looks like they're just introducing the teams right now, and they'll be getting over to Autonomous. Here we go, guys. Thumbs up across the board, because we're about to go. Click start. Let's do this. See how Autonomous goes. Looks like Red is going to win theirs again. Or yeah, looks like Red loses. No. Wait. You know Red wins by 5 for Auton, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Here we go. It's go time. And again, Reds all across this. I like that idea. You get... Oh, they missed though. Not good. Nerves kicking in? Who knows? But, oh, what's happening here? Nerves are definitely kicking in for the Red Alliance. You can see it, and they're just... Oh no, why would you score it here? No, score it here. So if you need to knock this goal over, you can. But, Blue's gonna be like, I think this is a cool solo zoning game. And yes, that means they are in the lead. And it also means that red probably needs to do some yellows here. And maybe get solo zoning themselves right about now. And blue could come over here and grab this. But red has a good flank. 46 seconds left, and blue's gonna take it. If I were blue, I'd be like, I'm gonna grab this cool little thing too. Be like, ooh, check. But blue is gonna defend this one in particular. I don't really think having the lift up affects anything about that. Defense. 20 seconds left. It looks like blue is ready to tie things up. I mean, if I were them, this guy, I'd be like, ooh, I'm gonna take this toggle. And, ooh, I'm gonna take this little cool thing here, too. I try and grab that one. Oh, and red is going to annihilate their stack. And, boom. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, red is out of the game. It's gonna be a 1-1. Oh, they're checking if it's touched. I don't think it is. But it's hard to tell on my screen. But who knocked over this one? I can't remember if that was red or blue. It all happened fast. It was blue. That's gonna be a DQ probably again for blue, for the same reason. Okay. Or maybe it's not, because maybe it's like not 15, but I think it's gonna be a DQ. I'm gonna have to wait and see. Is this a DQ? And is Washington Korean Chicken heading to Worlds? Or is it not a DQ? And we're going to a third game. Only time will tell. What have the refs spoken? I mean, based on the expressions of Washington Korean Chickens, it looks like they're gonna win. Take the world spot at 2-0 fashion. So I think that's gonna be a DQ. Yep, and he's like, yeah, I'm gonna explain to you why this is a DQ. It's gonna be because, yeah, they knocked over this. You can tell they're like, oh my goodness, we got DQs twice in a row, and we could have actually won that game. Yeah, that's true. Double DQ match. Just like that, we have our Mall of America champions, Wash and the Korean Chickens. Crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff, and it will be a DQ. Everyone. Oh my goodness. How exciting. Well, crazy stuff. I mean, awards probably now. I'm not going to stay for awards, but thanks for tuning in. Mall of America's been great. Oh.